Why is site survey a must in a solar system installation? Now, before I start, let me say, it is very important that it is done. If it is not done, something is bound to go wrong. Why are we doing this? It is during site survey that we establish the rating of the appliances that are going to be on solar. Just knowing there's a TV in your house is not enough. I need to know what is the wattage of that TV. Then number two, it is during site survey that we establish what is the measurement of the cables that you're going to use. If we do this, then there will be no wastage when we start doing the installation. Number three, we need to know, do you have enough space for the solar panels? Do you have enough space for the solar water heating system? And then number four, where batteries are involved, we need to know, can the ground hold the weight of those batteries? Now, if you're considering a solar system, DM me to get a free site survey done. I mean free.